Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. When I got to know these three self of this, twin flame, one is higher self, which is a complete divine self, and two of them are actually devilish, evil self of this person. So divine actually started, laughing on me because I was like surprised and shocked. How is this even possible? I am dealing with, three self of a person at a time, and this self of him stays within me, and I have experienced that yin yang, and then Shiva and Shakti within myself, that the half body belongs to this twin flame and half is mine. So now I was questioning that how would I remove this person in terms of feelings and thoughts from me. So I was also laughing after knowing this truth of these three self of this person, and then divine started laughing. So I said to divine that you must be so happy that putting me into this toughest situation, but I will still not say what you want to hear from me. So what has happened during my childhood, divine told me that the life on earth is actually tough. So that time I said I do not believe on this, because life is tough. Then who has made this life tough? You or somebody else? But what I see from my own eyes since my childhood, that people who are crying, if they have done wrong karma, so they are crying because of that when they are getting their karma returned. And if I talk about people who are good, then they are crying because of their wrong choices and decisions. And if I talk about myself, then I am not a part of false hope, and I am being known for making right decisions, taking good decisions, be it about myself and for other people. So I was like, no, life is not tough, and I do not believe on this. Wherein I already experienced a lot of painful things since my childhood, and also in that 10 years of painful journey. So that time I also did not say even once to divine that this is tough or I cannot handle it. Every time I said, yeah, I have to go through this, and I did not complain to divine. So divine was maybe I will ever complain, so I did not complain that. And also till now there was not even a single thing, if I talk about a situation or a problem in which I was not able to handle. So it has never happened, as I knew I have a spiritual gift, that I always have solutions for all sort of problems, and I will not panic about it. I will just look for the solution. And whatever situation I have gone through, I never complained or said to divine that this is tough. But after spiritual awakening, when I realized this entity's attack was actually out of my control. So before this I always knew that entire life of mine is under my control, and I never had to struggle with that. But after awakening, I had this acceptance that this thing I cannot control, and there I apologized, said sorry to divine, and allowed and asked for the help from the divine to protect me from those entities, for which there were divine entities who would actually fight with those dark entities, because it was out of my hand. But the way I have been since my childhood, if there is a situation or a problem, first of all I will give my 100%, and if after that I'm not able to handle that, or able to complete that, whatsoever it is, then I will think about asking for a help either from a human or from divine. But I will first give 100% of mine. But I never had to face such kind of situation or challenge wherein I was stuck or kept stuck because of any situation. I was able to come out of that situation. So that has been working as a gift for me. So when I got to know about these three self of this person, and I realized this person is actually within me, and it is impossible to remove this person from me. That was the reason that divine started laughing. Now what would I do? How would I remove this person as a thought and a feeling from me? So I said, divine, let me remind you that I am a masterpiece created on earth by you. I am your creation and the best creation. And there is another spiritual gift of mine, that I have that power to make impossible to possible. Wherein I already did this experiment twice or thrice in past, wherein things were impossible for other people, and it was genuinely impossible. So sort of exception, I did it that. So there I realized I have this another gift of mine, wherein I can turn impossible into possible. So while reminding divine that I am a masterpiece, a master creation of yours on earth, and you wait and watch and see me how I do it, but I promise that I will be able to do this, because I know I have this spiritual gift, and I understand it will take time, and I was not in hurry, but yes, I kept on trying. So I will make sure that I remove this person as thoughts and as feelings from me, and I will do it. So as I have been stubborn, and also after my spiritual awakening, many of my spiritual gifts were actually suspended. So but those were, small gifts, but it was actually helping me a lot. So as I used to skip my meals for a week and for a month, and I continued, working into my office and also after office hours, but that too without food. So that was something, the gift was suspended so that I start eating healthy food and on a regular basis. So that was done for my favor only, because after awakening it was not possible. If you're not eating healthy food and that on a regular basis, you forget about this. So the habit I had, it was again in terms of, pattern, that I used to skip my meals for a week, for 2 weeks, and for a month. So when this gift was suspended, I was not able to continue this habit. Several other gifts of mine were suspended, like, I had a gift with related to the speed, that wherein I had actually been a challenge for several people in my official life, I would say, in my professional life. So that was also suspended, but that has actually helping me when it was suspended. So divine said, yes, show us that how would you do this, and you have to do this, that's what you have promised. But at the same time, divine reminded me that, you will have to punish this person, you cannot spare him at all. So now the concern was, I understand, this I am dealing with 3 different self of this person, and punishing this person was extremely important, because the kind of, shittiest thing he has been involved, that I will not be able to share here on this channel, or even not anywhere else. But then it is something scary and shittiest thing, and so I knew that I will have to punish this person at any cost, because I will not be able to, run away from this, because divine has been kept on reminding me after my awakening. Even before awakening, it was a commitment when I went on that journey of 10 years of journey. There I gave commitment that I will be punishing all those, wrong people who I will meet in this 10 years of journey. So this twin flame was also part of that. So there, what I decided, I will punish this person, but in a different way, not like where other people are going to be punished, because I knew there is higher self of him which is connected to me, and that's a complete divine self, has always been supportive of me. So I had to take care of few things, that I cannot punish him the way I'm going to punish other people. So I was clear that, I will let these entities punish him, the divine entities, because he has, always been into wrong things and having bad karma, shittiest intentions. So I knew the way he's going to be punished, like, I will not have to involve myself on any, in any way, so that, I remain clean. I do not want my involvement to be there. So divine entities are not going to spare him, and he has so many n number of dark secrets, which all will get revealed in the divine timing, and that should be done actually. So this conversation actually happened in 2020, I think in the month of July or August, when I got to know about these 3 self of this twin flame. But since then I started, kept on trying, and started also doing a lot of study about this person, lot of weakness I got to study about this twin flame, wherein about him and his family as I was staying there. So kept on observing him. This twin flame will actually be punished through divine entities, but at the right timing, not now. So there in 2021 October, divine actually revealed one of his, darkest secrets, which is actually related to his family. So when I was working with this twin flame in my office, there I had this thought that there is something fishy which this person is actually trying to hide, that too intentionally. But at the same time, I actually saw that he was so confident that nobody will ever get to know about this truth. When divine revealed to me that dark secret related to his family, the ground slipped under my feet. I was actually so shocked. So my awakening happened in 2020 March, and this secret was, revealed to me by the divine in 2021 October. So I said, why did you do that? Why did you hide that secret, on purpose from me? You did that intentionally, and you already knew that secret about his family. So divine said that if you had known about this secret of, this person in the beginning when you met this person, do you think you would have learned these, these many lessons which you have learned in those 12 years after meeting this person? So divine said, how many types of evil and dirty people are there on earth who are walking and living in the middle of, good society, good human beings, and wearing the mask of good, and at the same time they are also maintaining their image so that no one can ever get to know their truth, that what sort of dirtiest and shittiest things they are involved while living amongst other people and in a good society. So divine said, instead of assigning 50 different types of wrong, evil, selfish, mean people in your life in that 10 years of journey, we have sent one person who has all those characteristics of those 50 evil people. So it saved your time, and you have learned all those lessons which we could have assigned 50 different people to teach you those 50 lessons. So I agreed with that point of divine, that yes, it has saved a lot of time of mine, and I am so truly grateful that you made me meet this person, because the kind of evil shittiest person he is, and he's involved into such wrong things that and also these things are actually connected to a soul mission. So there were one particular incident which kept on repeating in my life since my childhood, and that was repeated at least 12 times, I remember, but I never noticed that. So it was something related to on earth happening, actually wrong people, the way they are trapping good human beings, and intentionally what kind of things they are using to trap them. So this twin flame is actually part of that particular evil group, and again it is connected to my soul mission. So I was truly grateful for this kind of help of divine, that you actually sent this person in my life in that 10 years of journey, and I have learned all those lessons. And since then I actually became so alert that I knew that I am having such a dangerous soul mission, wherein I knew about the industry. There are wrong evil people, and all sort of evil people are there where I will be leading that soul mission. So there I recognize this pattern, that this incident has happened in my life, that too 12 times, and I never noticed it. So now I remained alert, that I had to be alert that what all things are going on planet earth through these kind of people. So by assigning such evil people in my life since in that 10 years of journey, and till the time I was doing my inner work, I realized that entire preparation of my soul mission was done through divine itself. By assigning such people, and the way I'll be dealing with these people in future, divine kept on teaching me one after another. And when this secret was revealed, that time I realized it was not just I was learning my lessons, I was also being prepared for my soul mission through divine. So I was truly grateful about this. So there I also realized, since I have met this person, divine has actually been protecting me from this person. So when I have heard about, from other twin flames, that they know this kind of a twin flame they have, and they are chasing that person. So please remember, if that person is not able to contact you, not talking to you, that is actually intentionally stopped by divine. So you are protected by that person. Understand? Stop chasing such people. I cannot reveal what things are going on planet earth. And there was a mystery which got unfolded, and that got unfolded only after 3.5 years of doing this inner work. So please protect yourself and do not chase such kind of people. Keep your entire focus on yourself. And I understand in this twin flame journey, the biggest problem, the biggest obstacle was that kept on thinking about this person, and feelings are not going. So yes, I was able to do it, but only after 3.5 years of time, and I have been kept on doing my inner work, so that I will be giving you all those solutions. But remember, please stop chasing such people. You are a divine soul, and you need to stay protected. So when you say that there's a ghosting done by this twin flame, or you think that because of somebody has done black magic, that's why that person is not talking to you, please remember that's a protection from the divine. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.